Welcome back to another exciting episode of Best Apps 4. I'm Santu, and today we're about to explore a game-changing app that's taking the world of cloud storage by storm. That's right, it's Terabox, the app that's not only breaking the limits but smashing them to pieces with a whopping 1 terabyte of free cloud storage. Can you imagine having that much space at your fingertips? Well, today, we're going to find out just how incredible Terabox really is. Let's get started. Go to any of your browser and visit terabox.com. You will come to Terabox sign up page. You can sign up here by giving email address. After giving email address, Terabox will verify your mail, but it's very easy to sign up with Google account. Click on this icon. Then you will get all the email accounts of your phones. Select an email that you want to use for Terabox. So I am selecting this email. OK, tap on Confirm. Now it will take us to the home page. The 1 terabyte of storage is a game changer. It's ideal for storing large media files, high-resolution photos, and all your important documents. The app also makes it easy to share files with others, whether it's for collaboration or simply sharing memories with friends and family. You can create a folder to organize photos and videos. Now I am creating a folder. I am giving this folder name Testing. Here it is. Now I will upload a video in Terabox. I have to select the video that I want to upload. I am uploading videos using browser because videos cannot be uploaded from apps. As you can see, the video is uploaded. Now let's upload something to this testing folder. Click on Upload, select the file that you want to upload. I am selecting this file and it's uploading. Yes, upload completed. Now, let's see how Terabox apps work. Open the apps and click Agree. Now, tap on Continue with Google. From here click that email that you used while creating account. After that a pop-up will open like this. Now tap on Complete. If you want notification from Terabox, then allow it. I recommend not to allow to avoid disturbing notifications. The interface of this app looks like this. Here you can see, I have used 23 megabyte of 1 terabyte. Here you can view your saved photos, videos, and documents. Now I will show how to share a video from Terabox. You can also earn money from sharing videos, photos, and documents. Comment if you want to learn. Press on 3-dot menu. Now tap on Share. From here you can share this video. So this is how it works. Thank you for joining us on this app-filled adventure today. If you found our content helpful and insightful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Your support keeps us going.